Hello, my name is Antonio, and work here at Vicrez, and we're going to do a little bit of behind the scenes of kind of like what we do here, or what I do here. I'm in charge of production, in charge of making those parts that we make for various cars, be it lubers or diffusers or side skirts. We do it all right here at Vicrez. So I'm going to go ahead and do an injection, and so you could be witness to what it is, more or less what we do. And this is a mold I just prepped. It's a side skirt. I believe it's the right side of the 350Z. And it's already prepped. I got the clamps. Everything inside has been cleaned and wiped down. And I'm gonna go ahead and start the injection then. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open the mold now. The cure time usually, actually for it to completely cure is 24 hours, but for it to be stiff enough for it to retain its shape, it just takes a couple, like maybe 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds, depending on the thickness of the material. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the clamps. Yeah, if we let it sit too long, what will happen is that the material will want to stick and adhere to the cast itself from the inside, and then it becomes a real task to get the part out. And sometimes you can even damage it if you let it stay in there too long. So it's got to be the right time, not too soon, because if you open it too soon, then what will happen is that the material will be too flimsy and it'll warp. Or if you leave it, like I said, in there too long, then the material sets and wants to set in with the cast, and it becomes a real problem getting it out. So right now is a good time, I believe. That part's kind of gooey, but the reason it's gooey is because it's very thin. It has weird properties, this polyurethane, because the thinner the material is, the longer it takes to cure, and the more mass the material has, the faster it cures. So it's just kind of strange to me how that process works. But I got used to it. Now I know the properties of polyurethane and how to work with it. So now right there, it's kind of like pretty much the top is loose. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. And voila, it's ready for trimming. Okay, there you go. Not exactly a piece of cake, but give me a run for my money there. And that's it. That's how you inject the side skirt for the 350Z. My name is Tony, and thank you very much for watching.